think it really depends on your line of work when it comes
Yes.
to fake it till you make it. And I'm saying that is because now when you're responsible for a lot of employees and their future relies on your leadership, there's a certain level where it needs to stop. And I feel like you got to
So,
do. Go
so
ahead.
how will you address that, Punimo? Let's say I'm the procrastinator here. You asked me to do something and it was due. You told me 6 months ago, and I have yet reported to you continuous behavior on my part. How do you address a procrastinator? You're my boss now. Talk to me as queen, your employee.
That is why there are rules and regulations. I will give you a verbal warning and then make sure that it docks on your points, sit you down, counsel you, and also write you up following those principles and to let go of your ass because I ain't gotta deal with it.